Here's your office and your people. Oh, and here's your other office and your other people. And those people too. And between them all is a wall. Lots of walls, actually. But what if that wall wasn't a wall at all? What if it was a window? A window with a view across the city, the country, the world, to these people, and all your people. And what if collaboration technology didn't mean plugins and logins and balancing a screen on a bin? What if it was as simple as a touch? And what if all it took to get someone's attention was a tap? Welcome to Video Window, the world's first always-on immersive video conferencing portal for Teams. Yeah, like the one from the future. No scheduling, just permanently ready for you. With features like whiteboarding, unlimited portals, privacy and sleep modes, the ability to join external meetings. This is inter-office human connection, solved. Visit videowindow.com to learn more.